deep in the silence of every cell. A coded story begins to tell. Threads of life in a spiral chain, carrying hope through joy and pain.
Every heartbeat, every breath, a dance with time, a step with fate. Written in letters, ATGC, the map of who we're meant to be.
But storms can rise within the frame, changing past and changing